Every day is a new gift from God. You get the new chance to learn something, to grow in life, to do something incredible, and leave your imprint behind. But let me ask you a question. How many people learn something every day? How many people are adding something in their life? Hardly a few one. But why? Because they feel once we have completed our studies, there is no need to learn something new. Now we are bound to engage in this world. We are bound to accept that reality that now we are stepped into the society and we don't have any relation with our studies. We don't have any relation with our learning, which is totally a myth because human brain grows till your death. If you are not feeding it something every day, it will start to rust like an iron. Our brain is the only thing in this world that grows with its usage. Apart from this, whatever you see in your surrounding, the more you use it, the more it will start to decrease its quality. But our brain increase its quality more every time when you add a new value in it. Moreover, it does not only grow its capability but also start to give you new ideas, start to show you new opportunities that were already there but seeming hidden to you. Make a timetable every day to learn something new. At least devote your 15 to 20 minutes to read new books, to read about the autobiographies, or listen to some incredible people. Nowadays, we can access lot of incredible stuff to read and listen. But instead, what we are doing, we are just scrolling our reels. We are wasting our time into unnecessary stuff, which is not adding even a single value in your life. Whenever I advise someone to learn something new, they always argue that we got one life and why I need to spend this life on learning something every day and putting burden on my head every day when I can enjoy tons of things at that time. My answer to those is life is not all about living in happy moments. It is about doing struggle and finding your happy moments in that hard work. Whoever you see in this external world, everyone made their life, everyone made their name in this struggling period when they were angry, frustrated, and dissatisfied from their failures. But they never stopped learning, they never stopped trying, and eventually they reached to their destiny. I always beat this line. You are not here to live an ordinary life. You have something unique in you. And if you will not introspect on daily basis, you will not be able to find that X factor in you. This process of learning active your new neuron cells in brain, and that leads you to something that was not there previously, and you start to feel a different level of confidence in you. Therefore, just start to learn something new every day and spend at least few minutes to become the best version of yourself. So that was all for today's video. I hope you have gained something from this video, and I always end my video with this line: we all have to be the change to see the change. Thank you.